Welcome to today's tutorial. Do you want to approve your website with Google News Publisher Center? Do you want to verify your website and live your website with Google News? So I will guide you how to get Google News approval for your website and get good amount of traffic for your website. Here you can see I have one website with Google News approval. 1 week ago I get approval with Google News. It take almost 3 or 4 weeks to get Google News approval. Here you can see my Google News Publisher dashboard, how it's look. I will change everything, every setting, which setting I want. I will change every setting. So here you can see I have created some table of categories. Here you can see my channel videos. I also can add my channel videos. If you want to unpublish, here you can see why I am not crazy. So here you can see if you want to unpublish your Google News, here you can see Google News. My website is on Google News. You can search my website with Google News app and googlenews.com, and I am Ajay. You can find my website. I am not index my all website article with Google News. I am just index my some 3 categories, and one is YouTube channel. And 1 week ago I am just insert my feeds in Google News to test how it's work and can that's benefit for my website. If I will get a good amount of result, I will insert all my website article in Google News and get good amount of traffic, and I will rank my website with Google News. But still I am testing Google News Publisher. Once I get a Google News Publisher good response, I will insert my all of article website categories, feeds, and everything I will insert in Google News Publisher. So here I will guide you how to add your new publisher. Just write your website name, loud updates, for example my website name, and here publisher name required, it's important, and description. For example, your website is about technical reviews, travel, news and politics, and extracts of tech. So type a description. Everybody know what is this description. Your website description explain everything about your website. So next step is category. At category is required, make sure you select a right category. If you select a wrong category, your website will not rank on Google News, and Google News will punish you, and they will not rank your website. Make sure you choose a right category. Okay, category I choose a local, just local category. And next, primary language. So what is your website language? My website language is English, and I'll allow automatic translation. Is if someone is using Google News app and they selecting other language, and Google News automatically translate your website in article in their language. So your reader will read your article easily. So here my website, new website URL, and now click on verify in search console. I don't want to verify because I am just guiding you. So if you want to approve your website, just verify your website distribution category, countries worldwide. I recommended you don't change anything with this. All a specific country, block specific countries, so don't change anything. I recommend you just select worldwide and go all properties and allow all properties, don't change anything. And next step is tracking. This is so much important for your website. I recommend you to use Google Analytics tracking ID. Do you know about Google tracking ID? Just go to, if you have an account with Google Analytics and your website is verified with Google Analytics, go to your Google Analytics and go to your website and admin panel and get admin and get tracking ID and copy it and paste it Google News Publisher. So once you log in your Google account, then go to admin and then go to property and tracking info and then tracking code. Here you can see tracking code, just click on tracking code. Here you find tracking code, not copy tracking code. Tracking code is for HTML and tracking ID is some tracking ID is sometime is important, so don't copy tracking ID. Just don't copy tracking code, just copy tracking ID. Here you can see our tracking ID. Just copy this, make sure you have a right website and right tracking ID. Just copy this tracking ID. Just here you can see tracking ID and copy it and go to go again Google News Publisher setting and again and paste it here and next and click on next. Here you can see a content section. What is content section? Content section I will guide you. So here you can see I am captions, apps, news, loud updates, and for someone visiting your website in Google News and Google News app. So how you want to show your website to someone? So type your section title, for example this section is category and section is news, and then paste your website URL plus your website feed. So every single website have some different feed and categories, so just find your category and feeds and paste in this section. Is not important. If you so next step is view access. So select anyone, so make sure you select anyone, and next step is not feed option, so set it as a default. If you want to change something, so click on if you understand and then click anything different setting. And now add web location, and first step is feed. If you want to add your article with feeds, then use feed. And if you want to add some particular web locations, for example loudupdate.com and slash your tag example your category. If web location is example your category section. If you want to add your category section, then click on category, and here you can see add video mean your YouTube channel or playlist. A section title, your playlist name. I am just inserting loud updates my channel name, and now YouTube channel or playlist URL required. So you cannot use youtube.com/loud updates. You cannot use your username. If you use this, then your video not show in Google News and your section will empty always. So make sure you choose a right URL of your YouTube channel. Don't use your username, just paste it your URL. So just cut it all the text your username, not paste your YouTube channel URL. Don't use your username and other link, just paste your channel exact your. Don't use any channel name and slash videos about and any section, just playlist and your channel URL. Here you can see my channel is showing on Google News because I am already add my YouTube channel with another live live Google News Publisher account. So next, verify your URL ownership. Just enter your URL and verified your URL. Next tab is images, a secure logo, and this is so much important. If you not use this section images and white logo, then your Google News account will not approve in Google News. So add your image, and so here you can see domination. If your logo is size is something different, so go to Google and search resize image and resize your image 512 and 512 and recommended is 1001 by 1000. So I am using 512 and 512, and first image is added, and next is 200 pixel wide and 20 pixel height. So and next, so you need two image is important. If you want one more image, you can also use one more image. So Google News not give you approval if your website is not like a Google like a Google News website. If your website is something different, you are not updating your content daily you need 3 or 4 article in your website. If you not publish too much article, your website is not get approved by Google News. So here are ad section, how much you want to show ad in Google News. Second, I am selecting 100%. And if you want publisher manager, add Google Ad Manager, AdSense plus AdMob. If you have custom, so select. If you have another ad network, then select it here. So I recommended to just use AdSense because AdSense is higher and AdSense is good. So and next step is SS groups. If you want to some SS groups, and so new SS group, if you have SS group, then enter it here. And next step is review and publish. And review mean and everything is okay, and Google show you some error if you facing an if you miss something in past. So Google show you here you need to fix some error. So just click on review and fix all of error, and next step is save. So I am not saving this because I don't want to submit my website to Google News. I am just guiding you how to get approval. So I already have a website with the Google News, and I have 12 followers, and my website is live with Google News. I don't want my new website because my website not a Google News website. So I am just guiding you, I am deleting this guiding draft. So here my website is live. If you want to check my website with Google News, just go to Google News and search my website, and you will find my website. I am just testing this Google News. If I found a good amount of result, I will insert all of my website article in Google News. If I found something error and I am not getting a good amount of result because my website is not fully Google News, my website is technical. If I am not getting good amount of traffic, I will stop using Google News. So I am just testing 3 or 4. My 3 section is one section is feed, and 3 section is categories, and 1 section is my channel video section. So this is so simple. This is so simple to add your content in Google News. Just your website URL /category /news and /feed FEED. If your website is WordPress, and then this is same for all of WordPress website /feed. And if you using any website section, then maybe some changes. So your website URL /category name and /feed, that's a simple. So FEED, make sure you write in same spellings. If you mistakenly write a wrong spelling, then your website so if you write a wrong feed, then Google News team will review your website. They will not give you approval, because if you do any small mistake, they will not give you any approval, and they also not give you any information what is problem in your Google News account. I hope this tutorial helpful. Goodbye, and leave a comment. I will guide you. Thanks. Goodbye.